Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Gabby, aka Mocha. So in today's video, I'll be showing you 3 different hairstyles that you can try on your hair. You know, whenever you get bored with wash and goes, braid outs, twist outs, and really just want to switch it up. But if you're anything like me, I usually just stick to wash and goes, but sometimes I get tired of that and I just want to try something simple and cute to my hair. So if you're one of those natural girls that do the same thing, then stay tuned and I will show you these hair tutorials. Before I get into that, guys, I do want to show you what product I do use in my hair when I actually do my wash and go routine. It's actually just the Cream of Nature Twist and Pudding product. I love this product. As you can see, my hair is really defined and it has a lot of volume to it, and my wash and goes last longer. So if you give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, I would definitely show you my wash and go routine and what I do in the process. But stay tuned, ladies. Okay, let's get into the first style that I'm going to do for you guys. So to start off, I do like to use one of my favorite combs to part the pieces of my hair that I want to leave out, as you can see. And I like to temporarily twist and pin these parts of my hair to the sides until I'm ready to come back to this section of my hair. Also, guys, please feel free to damp your hair a little bit with a spray bottle if you have one, so your hair wouldn't be so dry and tangled when you're trying to part your hair. And if you did watch my last video, guys, I did mention that I have a widow's peak, which causes me to have a pretty messed up middle part, and I have to correct my part so many times just to have a semi-straight part. Plus, I'm not the best with parting my hair, so please bear with me. Now that I got the difficult part of the way with parting my hair, I can now twist this section of my hair and also put up the back of my hair temporarily until I get ready to come back to it. So now I'm going to part this little piece of my hair with my comb and take one of the rubber bands I got from a beauty supply store and twist this part of my hair several times and tie it until it's a little tight. It doesn't have to be too tight, just tight enough so the rubber band doesn't come loose. Then I'm going to take the next piece of my hair and part it again, and then take another rubber band and twist the first section I have rubber band and the second piece of my hair and twist them in the rubber band together and tie it. And I follow that same routine to the next 2 sections of my hair until it's finished. Okay, guys, do not judge me for this, but if you're anything like me, I am not the best at rolling my hair. So while my grandma was here, she did show me a neat little trick, and I decided to share it with you guys. So she told me to cut out a piece of fabric or cloth and use this to help roll the pieces of your hair. And the fabric is used so that your hair doesn't get stuck in the holes of the perm rod while you're taking your hair down. So if you did try this trick out, guys, after watching this video, please comment below. The Eco Styling Arganol Gel is my favorite, guys. I love using this gel whenever I want to achieve that sleek look to my hair. I also noticed that my hair was a little bit dry, so I take my spray bottle again and damp my hair with it just so that my hair doesn't look so dry and it's easier to put up in the high buns that I'm trying to achieve. And I brush it just a little bit so I can have more of that sleek look that I said I was trying to do. Also, I take the piece of hair in the middle that is left out and separate it to add that one piece to the left bun and the other to the right bun. use these gold beads that I brought from the beauty supply store because I feel like the beads bring out the style more and give it a cuter look. So I'm going to place each bead in the middle part that I have sectioned just to hide the rubber bands a little bit, guys. And also feel free to use as many beads that you want to, but for this style, I'm just going to only use 3, and I'm just going to make sure that each bead is adjusted to however I like it. To bring out this style more, guys, I did decide to add this gold string that I also brought from the beauty supply store. And as you can see, guys, I'm wrapping around my bun a couple times so that it can fit and adjust a little bit. And then I also use another string and I wrap it around the other bun just so that I can bring out the style more, like I said. Now that the style is almost finished, I can take the pieces of my hair that I have in the perm rods out. And as you can see, guys, my hair still came out really smooth without being snugged on the perm rods. So I'm definitely going to try this method again when I roll my hair next. So now I'm going to get into the second style that I'm going to do for you guys. It's a very simple hairstyle that you can also try on your hair. But to create this next style, I'm going to start off by parting my hair again. Like I said, I'm not the best at parting my hair, so don't judge me, guys. I'm going to get better sooner or later. Okay, now that this section of my hair is parted how I want to, I can get started on this style. So I take a piece of my hair and one of the rubber bands and twist it around several times and tie it until it's a little tight. Like I said, guys, it doesn't have to be too tight, just tight enough so that the rubber band does not come loose. Then I take the second piece of my hair and another rubber band and do the exact same thing. Then I take those 2 pieces and twist it with the rest of my hair that is out and keep twisting it until it's to the part that I want to stop and then pin it down. After that, I repeat the same thing to the other side of my hair. For this second style, guys, I am going to add more gold beads to each side of my hair that I have twisted. Like I mentioned before, I do like the gold beads because it brings out the style more and give it a cuter look. And also, I like to use the gold beads just to hide the rubber bands a little bit. To bring out this style more, guys, I am going to add a little bit of spray from the Shea Moisture Coconut Hibiscus Moisture Mist product. And then I like to fluff out my hair a little bit just to give it more volume. After that, I'm going to use my little edge brush to bring out the little bit of edges that I do have. And that will be all for this style, guys. So now I'm going to get into the third and final style, guys. This style is also pretty simple and easy. So since my hair is already parted from the previous style, I'm just going to add a little bit of gel and retwist this section of my hair just so it can look a little bit neater. Then I do the same thing to the other side of my hair. To finish up this style, guys, I'm just going to raise my hair up a little bit to create that pineapple look that I like. But before I do that, I'm just going to take a piece of my hair out at the bottom and curl it up a little bit. And after that, as you can see, I'm putting my hair in the ponytail now and just fluffing up my hair a little bit so that my hair can look a little bit neater. So now that I'm at the end of this style, I'm just going to use my edge brush again just to touch up my edges. I really don't have that much, but I'm just going to adjust a little bit that I do have just to make sure that it's neat. Then I'm just going to go back through my hair and fluff it up more and curl the piece that I have in the back left out. But that is all for this style, guys. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed these tutorials.